Bill. Hey, Bill, you over here?
Hey, Andy.
Hey, there you are. Okay, good. Okay, I was getting worried. Okay. Hey, Bill, so tell us what's going on with Kontiki, and we've been covering VeriSign, and we know that they've made a big strategic decision to change business around, so what's going on?
So Kontiki is going to spin out of VeriSign and become its own company again. Kontiki is being acquired by a company called MK Capital, and will be officially spun out of Kontiki and be running its own business from here on out. And we're going to be focused on our core business of peer-to-peer software and licensed solutions. Kontiki's retained its core engineering team and executive team, and it's about 40 people. It'll be headed up by Eric Armstrong, former VP of Sales and former Kontiki employee as well. He'll be the President and CEO. The former CEO of Kontiki, Todd Johnson, will be the Chairman of the Board. And I think it's really great that the core team and the really experienced engineering team and sales team and business development have all come along through this whole transition from Kontiki to VeriSign and back to Kontiki.
And where will you guys be based?
Out of Mountain View, California. Well, one of the things I think is obvious to a lot of people, especially at a show like this, is that all of the trends look like there's more and more people consuming video online, and there's more and more people consuming more video every week over week or month over month. So the trends, those two trends are pretty clear. It's clear to us running some of the largest video on demand services like the BBC's iPlayer, Channel 4's video on demand service, and Sky Anytime. We have the access to that kind of data, and we see the consumption rates going up quite a bit. We also see that the demand for high quality is there. People want, when you give them a choice of low quality and high quality, they opt to take the high quality version. And the thing that's really interesting to me when you think about sort of the traditional TV broadcast model, you look at things like Nielsen ratings. And one Nielsen point is roughly 1 million users. And a CDN executive, one of the US CDNs, said to me that combined capacity for all 3 US CDNs was enough to deliver about 1 Nielsen point. And so if you want to deliver to high volume content to large audiences, let's say you want to reach 10 Nielsen points, how are you going to do that? And I think that's where P2P really comes to bear. And if you want your consumers to access your content, large volumes of the consumers, like 10 million people, you really have to have something that's very efficient and very effective at delivering. And that's what Kontiki does, solves that problem.